Hello, everybody. Dr. Lemster here. Welcome to our last topic. You made it. I want to just walk you through our last essay of the course, which is our water quality essay. I have attached two things for you to help you be successful. I have attached down here a student sample from a previous semester. It's not 100% perfect, and you can see the notes that I left for them in the comment section, but it is a really good example, and they did a good job. The other attachment that I have is the template, the APA template from the Student Success Center in the Writing Center, and I have added some notes in the comment section to, again, hopefully help you be successful with that assignment. What we are doing for this assignment is we are writing a 750 to 1,000 word essay. So what we're looking at there would be about 3 to 4 pages, not including the references page and not including page 1. We are going to find a water quality report from our local community. So for example, here what I would Google is 2022 Phoenix water quality report, and I would use the City of Phoenix water quality to find that actual report. So you may have to get creative in how you phrase that, and you can certainly let me know if you're having any problems finding a water quality report in your area. But what you're going to do is you're going to discuss what you found in the report. Please do not talk about how the water is cleaned. That is not what I would like to cover in this paper for number 1. But what kind of contaminants do they test for? And what were the results of those tests? Like what kind of contaminants are present in the water and at what levels? That is the kind of information that I'm looking for, not step 1, they do this to clean the water, or step 2, they do this to clean the water, and so on. Not interested in that. I want to know what are they testing for and what did they find? And you should want to know that too, especially if you're choosing your local community. The next thing that you'll do is you will find a water quality issue that's happening in your community. So you'll have to do some research there. You are going to talk about where the pollution comes from. It could include point sources and non-point sources, could include natural sources as well. You are going to talk about how the pollution source is impacting the environment and human health in your community and provide 2 examples of each. So 2 examples of how the pollution source is impacting the environment, and then 2 more examples of how the pollution source is impacting human health within your community. The last thing is you are going to research 3 management practices to help minimize water pollution in general. Please remember to always support the data and the facts and the information with appropriate in-text citations. If I am reading your paper and you're giving me information that is not common knowledge, I'm going to expect a citation with that. We are called to use a minimum of 5 peer-reviewed references. Most of the time students don't hit that 5 mark and they give me like cityoffphoenix.gov. That is not a peer-reviewed reference. Your water quality report, it does not count as a peer-reviewed reference because it's not published in a peer-reviewed journal. So if you need help with that, or you have any confusion on where to find information that's peer-reviewed, please let me know. Because this is a formal paper or essay, the entire thing should be formatted to APA style. There is a rubric, and this assignment is required to be submitted to Lopes Write. So please make sure that you review the rubric before you submit the assignment. Again, please use the rubric as a self-check for you. Okay, let me look at this row. Did I do that well? Okay, cool. Let me look at the next row. Did I do that well? Okay, awesome. It should be a really big self-check for you before you submit the assignment, because I will just be grading directly off of that rubric. And again, please use the resources here. Look at the student sample that I included. How did they set it up? You know, what did they do well? What did I leave comments on? And then you can also use the actual template here that has information for you as well. So take a look at those resources. Let me know if you need anything. And if I don't talk to you before the end of the class, it was a blessing to work with you all. And please let me know if anything comes up. Take care.